Saint Joseph. I'm from Secretary of Technology Private Limited, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the most beautiful concepts of life, freedom. See, most of you have kept something that's immensely powerful, there's something that has immensely potential, something that has immense potential within your smartphones and your tablets. It is the most powerful, the most easy to use open source user interface, Android. See, keeping Android only to smartphones and tablets is like telling Sachin Tendulkar that he can play only Ranji Trophy Friday matches, or Rafi Nadal that he can play only in a certain court like clay court or grass court or something. Okay, a specific thing. Okay. Android is immensely powerful, and we wish to bring this power into electronic devices, including your televisions, your refrigerators, your washing machines, your car dashboards, etc. See, I'll just show you what it can do, this technology can do. For example, suppose you're reading the newspaper in the morning. You see that there's a match at this time. You see that there are certain films at this time. All you have to do is, you program your TV, you program the Android console on your TV, you go back, and when you come back in the room, it can sense that you're in the room. You can switch on the TV by itself, and based on what channel you want it, that particular channel, particular program will be shown to you. Same case in a car dashboard, in a washing machine, in an AC. For example, there are some 3-4 people in the room. One of the person is going out. Based on personal preferences, the temperature can be adjusted. It will sense by itself. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, here's a 23-year-old talking about all this stuff. Talking about all this stuff that is probably fancy, right? I mean, we believe that most of technology in the world is used to solve the problems of the rich. You see, smartphones, tablets, etc. These are not the necessity of the poor. But a television set, a washing machine, almost every middle-class family in India, almost all common people in India have a television and a washing machine. And so, restricting Android to smartphones and tablets is something that it's a luxury, we believe. And so, we want to bring it to electronic devices. Now, okay, these are the applications, various applications. And they are numerous.
Last 1 minute.
Yeah, okay. See, this is not actually the competition. What we believe is, Google has brought us the Android operating system. These are the main home appliances manufacturers. And combining these two, we believe that Secretary of Techno Labs can fly. Okay. See, we have actually made this possible. This is an oven. It's called Made. It is the microwave Android integrated device. What it does is, based on the recipe you want, it can download the recipe from the internet, and it can show you what the recipes are required.
30 seconds.
Yeah. It show you what the ingredients are required, illustrates of the ingredients, how to prepare them, and once you're prepared and the oven is closed, it will cook by itself. It will set the automatic time and cook by itself. And this is ready. We are launching the product next week. Thank you.